The Oura Ring 5 is generating a lot of attention right now, and for good reason. The headline feature is simple. It's reportedly 40% smaller than before. But once you look beyond the size reduction, it becomes clear that this isn't just a thinner smart ring. Oura appears to have completely redesigned how the device works, and that could make a bigger difference than the smaller dimensions themselves. The new Ring 5 is rumored to measure just 6.09 millimeters wide and 2.28 millimeters thick. Smaller sizes weigh around 2 grams, while even the largest version reportedly weighs only 2.69 grams. That's incredibly light for a device packed with health sensors, battery technology, and continuous tracking features. For many users, comfort has always been one of the biggest reasons to choose a smart ring over a smartwatch, and Oura seems determined to push that advantage even further. What's impressive is that shrinking the ring wasn't simply a matter of making every component smaller. Oura reportedly had to rethink the entire internal architecture. Sensors, battery systems, and processing hardware were redesigned to fit inside a much smaller space without sacrificing performance. That's a difficult engineering challenge, especially when users expect the same battery life and health tracking accuracy as previous models. One of the most surprising changes involves the optical sensors. The Ring 4 reportedly used 18 optical signal pathways, while the Ring 5 reduces that number to 12. On paper, that sounds like a downgrade. In reality, it appears to be a smarter and more efficient design. By reducing the number of pathways, Oura was able to install stronger LEDs inside lower-profile sensor modules. The ring also reportedly sits closer to the skin, allowing it to capture cleaner health data directly from the source. Better raw data means less filtering and correction is needed afterward. Less processing reduces power consumption, which may explain how Oura claims to maintain up to 9 days of battery life despite using a physically smaller battery. This is a great example of modern product design. Instead of adding more hardware, Oura focused on removing inefficiencies. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't adding more technology, it's making existing technology work better. The design changes extend beyond the internal hardware. Leaks suggest a new deep rose finish is joining the lineup. Unlike previous rose gold options, this version reportedly features a darker bronze-inspired appearance. Traditional black, silver, and gold finishes are expected to remain available as well. The overall shape appears smoother and more refined, with less noticeable sensor bumps on the inside of the ring. Oura is also using non-allergenic titanium on both the interior and exterior surfaces. A stronger physical vapor deposition coating is said to improve scratch resistance, while the 100-meter water resistance rating means users can wear the ring almost anywhere without concern. Of course, better hardware comes with a higher price. Standard finishes reportedly start at $399, while premium versions could reach $499. That's around $50 more than the previous generation. Oura's subscription model remains in place as well, costing roughly $5.99 per month or $69.99 annually for advanced health insights and analytics. The optional accessories aren't cheap either. While a standard charger is included, the new aluminum charging case reportedly costs an additional $99. The case can provide up to 5 complete charges, making it useful for frequent travelers. But while the hardware improvements are impressive, the software may actually be the biggest story of all. Oura is reportedly replacing its previous symptom radar system with a new platform called Health Radar. Instead of simply showing daily health metrics, the system focuses on identifying long-term trends before users even notice symptoms themselves. A major area of focus is nighttime cardiovascular behavior. Rather than attempting direct blood pressure measurements, Oura analyzes how blood pressure patterns behave during sleep. Since healthy blood pressure naturally drops overnight, disruptions to that pattern could potentially indicate increased cardiovascular strain over time. The company is also expanding respiratory monitoring with long-term breathing trend analysis. This could help users better understand how breathing disturbances affect sleep quality, recovery, stress levels, and overall wellness.